All right, guys, so the last tool I want to talk about in this section is called Benzinga Pro. Now, this is a great tool that I use, and like many of the tools that I just talked about, it has a lot of different functionalities. Now, in my case, what I use this for is a news aggregator. Now, it's a really great service because what it allows you to do is to understand what is going on in the market, and it just gives you all the news that is coming into market about any stock. It's quite powerful. Now, the only downside of the tool is that it is paid. It's not free. You have to actually pay for this, and it can get quite expensive. It can get up to like $200-$300 a month. But again, it's one of those tools that if you are if you're a serious investor, for example, I personally manage up to like about $2 million of my LLC when it comes to investments, long-term investments. So I have to make sure that I know exactly what's going on, and this is a tool that really lets you see what is going on in the market. Take a look at this, for example. We have a news feed here that literally is giving you news every second. Like, you can see all the statements, all the filings, all the stuff that these companies do. Like, a lot of crazy information. For example, if I want to look at let's say a company like SQ. Now, this is, by the way, not the SQQ I'm talking about. This is Block, a company, and what it does is that I can see all the recent news related to the company. If there's anything interesting, for example, this one says there's a bit of a short interest here, so we got to take a look at that. So again, guys, you see all the information. And again, the reason I have this, because I use it for investment, not really day trading that much, but the reason I have this in like a screen above me is that I want to see exactly what is going on in the market, and if there's any certain changes that I need to keep a track on, or there's anything crazy happening in the market, this is going to pop up right here, and I'm going to be able to see it. So I just wanted to point this out. It's a really great tool. You don't have to have this, but I strongly recommend using it. It has a great chat room, by the way. Like, you can actually talk to people. There's a lot of people who use this, so it's pretty cool. And it has a lot of interesting features, such as it gives you signals, it has calendars. You can actually use it to option trade, stuff like that. It's really, really cool, very useful stuff. So definitely check it out for yourself. I'm gonna leave a link for you as well below this video in the resource section. Thank you so much, guys. We're going to move into the next section, which is market moving events. I'm really excited because we're going to talk about a little bit about market moving events, because I want you to understand these and understand why they're important to your day trading process. And then we're going to get into day trading stuff, which is going to be the trading mindset and then the actual day trading indicator strategies itself. All right, so we'll get there very soon. Thank you so much. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. I'll see you in the next one.